Sophia, what are you doing? Do you want your sippy cup? Do you want your sippy cup? No? You gotta grab it. Good girl. Look at you using a sippy. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Look at me. I'm using a sippy cup. Oh, you dropped it. What are you doing? What are you doing, Sophie?